Hey, welcome everybody. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Today I'm right here with this 2022 579. Very beautiful truck and very comfortable. This truck run very nice. Like you can see right here on the ticket, it's already sold. The truck came to the dealer last week and it already has the DOT paperwork. So today I'm going to walk it around and I'm going to review this truck for all my subscribers and for all those people out there who love this new 2022 579. So enjoy this truck. Complete the outside part. Now I'm going to check inside to show you how clean and how it's a beautiful detail, beautiful seat, very comfortable seat. Right here we got the fire extinguisher, beautiful door. It's a lot of space. Look at this seat, very nice. So right now I just doing the raw test after the DOT inspection we passed. Now we're going to make sure everything is good. So from here I'm going to the gas station to put some diesel. Then we're going to take it to the detail shop, and probably by Tuesday next week, this truck will be out the door. This one new detail right here on the steering wheel. This right here, this wheel right here to change the screen, like you can see here. See, beautiful. See, so now let's bring it back to the regular screen. Very nice. Like always, Bluetooth radio, space for 2 drink. All right, so now let's take a look in the engine. Extra key for the customer. All right, this 2022 579. This is a beautiful fast car engine. So I want everybody to take a quick look. Let's start it right here. That's the new position for the cooling reservoir. Bells, fan clutch there. All right, let's walk it to the other side and let's take a look at the other side. Right now I'm right here. Let me take a second. Let me show you right here. There's a beautiful industrial bar right here, right new, right on Tampa. About 6 or 7 right new building. It's gonna be a lot of business right here, a lot of warehousing. So let's go back to the engine. Right here, this is the new position for the 2-gallon tank for the windshield washer. Single turbo. This one is a automatic transmission with 12 gear. All right, so everybody, here it is. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing to the Rosario in the Wood. I appreciate everybody. God bless you and take care. So let's cover the engine, and then I go take another quick look around, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Love. Rosario in the Wood. I'm looking good today. All right, I just covered the engine. Now let's do one more time. Remember, this one is a 2022 579 Peterbilt. It's a day cab. Right now I'm going to the fuel pump, get some diesel, take it to the detail shop, and this baby's out of the door. All right, peace everybody, and looking good today.